Hey guys, it's James with Auto Odometer, and today I just have a really quick, simple video for you guys. We're going to be trying to polish up these headlights here on my Toyota Sequoia. Here in the background you can see I've been doing some little polishing of the headlights for my BMW. Hopefully that video is going to come out real soon. Been using some compounding, polishing, and some liquid waxes just to try to make them look as best as possible. But today we're going to do a little simpler approach here on the lights of my Sequoia. We're just going to use this product right here, Meguiars PlastX, and we'll be using my Griots Garage 3-inch orbital just to be able to make the job go a little bit faster than using a hand microfiber applicator pad. So hopefully you guys enjoy it, and if you enjoy any satisfying detailing videos like this, seeing things go from old to new looking again, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Also smash that like button, and yeah, let's get started. So I went ahead and popped my hood, even though I'm not going to tape off the light here just because we're just doing a very fine polish. We're not doing any wet sanding at all for this headlight restoration. Went ahead and popped my hood though just to give myself a good look of what I'm looking at here with the headlight, and you can see that there is some deep pitting that we can remove here with this PlastX. Also, before we get started here, Super Clean has reached out to me. They've given me a couple free products here, but they also want to include you guys in the giveaway, and it would be up to me to run a contest. Just watch till the end of the video, and I'll show you what you have to do to be able to win some Super Clean product. I just want to give you a quick look of what the passenger side looks like as well. So my process is going to be, I'm going to spray some diluted Super Clean degreaser, 10-to-1. Wipe off any bugs and any grease that's laying on the light first, and then spray it down with some water to clean off the soap. I do want to make sure it's wiped nice and clean and dry before I start applying the PlastX. I don't want to dilute the PlastX with any water. Now you might be looking at the headlight right now and noticing that it looks like it's been pretty cleaned and smoothed, but if you let the headlight dry after 5 minutes or so, you'll notice that that pitting and yellow oxidation will come back once the headlight is dry. For this driver's side headlight, I'm just going to put a piece of tape down the middle. For myself as well, I want to see how good this PlastX actually is. We'll see a direct side-by-side comparison right down the driver's side headlight. I'm using Griots Garage's black foam pad. It says you're able to use the foam pad with polishes, and that's what this Meguiars PlastX product is. It is a polish. So I put a couple dabs on the foam pad and then spread it out on the headlight, and looking back on it, I probably used a little bit too much product, but hey, it turned out pretty good in the end anyway. So the only downside to using too much product is you have a lot of sling happening. Once I did a couple passes, I went ahead and pulled the tape away, and there was definitely a pretty drastic difference between the polished side and the dirty side. So seeing the side by side, I'd say there's quite a bit of difference here. Not too bad for a cheap little retail product. I don't think it was worth more than $10. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up this light and polish it out, and then we'll move over to the passenger side. I'm going to go ahead and wipe off the residue, and you can see that the headlight is definitely pretty glassy clear. Now this is not going to fade back anytime soon, but to be able to extend the protection on this headlight and to reduce the oxidation on it, we're going to go ahead and apply a liquid 3-in-1 wax. Now this is Griots Garage's liquid wax that came with the 6-inch orbital polisher that I got from AutoZone. We're going to apply it to this orange microfiber pad from Griots Garage, and then apply it and then wait 20 minutes and then buff it off. This should give us an extended protection that should last a good year or even more. We're going to do the same process over here on the passenger side. We're going to spray it down with super clean degreaser diluted 10:1, spray it off with some water, make sure it's dry, wipe it down with a microfiber towel. Then we're going to apply the PlastX, and we're going to work it in at a speed between 3 and 5, and we'll finish it up. Then we'll wipe off the residue. And then apply the liquid 3-in-1 wax. And then again, buff it off after about 20 minutes. Here we are 20 minutes later on the driver's side. You can see it buffs off pretty nicely, and it leaves a nice glassy looking shine as well as a good protection. Here we are on the passenger side, which gives us the same results. So there you have it. That is how you can clean your headlights within a very short period of time. I'd say probably about 30 minutes. If I wasn't filming, it'd probably take me about 30 minutes. I did go ahead and add the Griots Garage liquid 3-in-1 wax just to put an extra layer of protection on, and you had to wait about 20 minutes before you buffed it off. So that's something that you probably would want to do so they wouldn't oxidize again rather quickly. So that is the driver's side, and here is the passenger side for you. And if you guys are interested in some free products, some free detailing products, Super Clean has worked with me. They asked if I would do a giveaway, and I think they said they're going to allow 3 winners here. So if you want to be a winner, you want to win some detailing or Super Clean degreaser, you can use it as an all-purpose cleaner. They're going to send you a box, and all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel, and I can confirm that and check that. Head down into the comments and just put hashtag SuperClean, and I will choose all those that are subscribed and did the hashtag in the comments, and I'll choose 3 winners here in the next couple weeks, and then we will just work it out with Super Clean, and you guys can get some free product. Hopefully you guys enjoyed a video like that. If you want to see more videos like this, satisfying detailing transformations, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like the video, and we'll see you next time.